One of the things we look to do at Classic Car Studio is make the overall restoration process more efficient. It's actually pretty hard to do. We found as with custom work, it's exciting for us. We really get into it. The customer gets into it as well. So it's easy for certain parts of jobs to run way over.
So with our Arclight table, we have this really cool engraver attachment. What we can use that for is scribing lines in our material. And later, after we cut it, we can go through, clean it up, we can pull our material out, and it puts us a nice line where our brake's gonna be. Throw it in our brake, there's no guessing, nothing we need to figure out. Set it and bend it up.
It saves so much time, so much faster, cleaner, sharper work. Again, it's just a huge time saver.
This has been a great add-on to our shop. The software they provide with it is very user-friendly, super easy to set up. All you gotta do is throw material on there, hit a couple buttons, and you can start cutting. This table has saved us a bunch of time on many projects. I couldn't imagine where we'd be without one right now.
So whether you're an individual or a larger shop, this is a machine that can make you way more efficient and improve quality along the way. We made some crazy stuff in a short period of time on this, and it's easy to use, it's intuitive. I think anybody can hop on within a matter of weeks and be using this thing every day just to make the business better and better.